Hey guys, are you trying to download VN Editor on your MacBook? Here's the easiest way to do it. First, open your browser and search for VN Video Editor. Make sure that you're clicking the official website. Now, once you open the site, scroll down and press Download for free. Then, it will show you this where you'll select Mac for App Store. This will bring you to a new tab for App Store. Then click View in Mac App Store. Now once you open VN Editor on your App Store, click on Download. Wait for the app to download, and once it's done, you can open the app in Applications. So go to Finder, then scroll to Applications, then find VN Editor. Once you open the app, you can start editing right away. So this is really quick and easy, and if this tutorial helped you, please like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials.